Today we're going to make this pot. If you hadn't already and you like our videos, click the subscribe button and share our videos. Give us a thumbs up, and if you'll click the bell icon underneath the video, each time we upload a new video, it'll send you a notification that we have done that. Won't you join us? Okay, what we will need for this video will be Portland cement, a sand, and that'll be a 1-to-1 ratio. It's not an exact science, so don't worry too much about that. And then water. This one is one that we'll want to mix a little soupy. And you'll need some cups from somewhere like McWendy's or any of those heart attack in a bag places. And then you'll need washcloths or towels. What we'll be using today will be just cheap washcloths from Walmart, and we'll get started on that. Also, if you have hands and stuff and you have sensitive skin, you may want to wear a latex glove, rubber glove or something, but take the stiff tags and just kind of tear all of them off. And like I said, it's kind of a runny mix. We're going to set this down here. And if you want a larger one, you can turn the cup up. But anyway, you put the washcloth in there and get it saturated up real well. Work it into the fibers of the cloth. And your instincts may be to kind of shake it off when you get ready to pull it out, but don't do that. Just take it, drape it over, kind of square it up the way that you want it. Set it over to the side. It wouldn't hurt to take just a little bit more, kind of pat on the bottom, give it a little stronger bottom. You can also do them with the cups turned up that direction, and after you saturate a couple of your cloths, you may have to add a little more water. My recommendations, if you have to add a little bit of water, also add a little bit Portland cement back with it again, and kind of flatten the bottom out. And also with these, if they're not completely flat, don't let that stress you out, because once they dry and you pull them out of the cups, you can take them and work them back and forth on a concrete block or on a sidewalk or something like that, and it will flatten it on out. But once you get to this point, you'll let those sit there. If you've got a sunny place that you can put them for at least 24 hours, here on this deck where we've been making these at, it takes roughly about 30 hours or so for them to cure up. And I'll see you in about 30 hours. After about 30 hours, you will take it, and if it's larger at the bottom, you'll have to get down in there and squeeze that and pull it out. And that's all there is. Now, I will give you a tip if you're going to make larger ones. Once you get it over your cup, or even, you know, a big beach ball or something like that, if you're going to use like a bath towel, once you get it over that, instead of just that single layer, once it cures up a little bit, mix you up some more and pour it back over the top and give it a second layer. And I tried this with t-shirt material and different stuff like that. It doesn't work well at all. And I think what it is it's that terry cloth type stuff that has the little threads and stuff kind of sticking out of it to where it can really get in there and saturate. I think that is the difference. But you can take a concrete bit if you need to and drill a hole in there, or one like this I usually use like as a little succulent pot. And that's all it is. And then again, like I said, if you haven't already, click our subscribe button and share with your friends and ask them to subscribe to us, because that's how we know that we're bringing you a video that you like, that you appreciate, and give us the thumbs up. All of that helps us with YouTube and stuff also. Thank you for joining us today.